Welcome to today's video on the amazing benefits of coconut oil. From skincare to oral health and traditional uses, coconut oil has been cherished for centuries. Let's dive into why it's so powerful and how you can use it in your daily life. Coconut oil has been used for centuries in tropical regions like the Philippines, India, and Polynesia. In these places, people relied on coconuts not just for food, but as a natural solution for skincare, medicine, and even hair treatments. Its rich nutritional profile made it a staple for health and beauty rituals long before modern products existed. Let's start with skincare. Coconut oil is an excellent moisturizer, loaded with vitamins E and K, which nourish the skin. It's particularly great for dry skin, and some even use it to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Plus, it's natural, free from additives, making it safe for sensitive skin. Did you know coconut oil can also help with oral health? The ancient practice of oil pulling involves swishing a spoonful of coconut oil in your mouth to remove bacteria and improve oral hygiene. The oil contains lauric acid, a compound that has antibacterial properties and helps reduce plaque, promoting healthier gums and fresher breath. Coconut oil isn't just good for your body's exterior. It's also a fantastic cooking oil. It has a high smoke point, which makes it great for frying and sautéing without breaking down. Plus, it adds a delicious tropical flavor to dishes. You can use it in baking, stir-frying, or even as a butter substitute. Coconut oil is also packed with medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, which are easy to digest and can boost energy levels. MCTs are quickly absorbed, which means they're great for quick, sustained energy. Studies suggest they may even support weight management and brain health. If you want glossy, healthy hair, coconut oil can help. It's commonly used as a deep conditioning treatment. Just massage a small amount into your scalp, leave it for 15 to 30 minutes, and then wash it out. Coconut oil helps strengthen hair, reduce dandruff, and add a natural shine. Besides skincare and cooking, there are so many creative ways to use coconut oil. You can use it as a makeup remover, natural deodorant, or even mix it with sugar for a DIY body scrub. Some people even use it as a pet-safe moisturizer for their furry friends. As you can see, coconut oil is incredibly versatile. From skin and hair care to boosting oral and overall health, it's a natural, affordable solution with a range of benefits. Give it a try and see the difference it can make. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Let us know in the comments, how do you use coconut oil? We'd love to hear your tips.